Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you all how I made this fan which is carryable, and I have done it with waste things which will be at your home. For this you need a motor like this. You will get a circular shape and a rectangular shape. You can choose any of them. A battery connector, a battery, masking tape or electric tape, scissors and cutters. Now, I had taken a toothpaste box, made a hole here, and I took a small piece of thermocol, sticked the motor, and I attached the fan to it. You can get different sizes of fans in any shop, and I have sticked this thermocol piece to the plastic pipe using double-sided tape, and I have put the wire inside this pipe. And this wire, I will open this side and show you. You can see that the wire is coming from outside, and I had attached the battery connector to the wire, and the battery connector has came outside, and I have sticked it backside using double-sided tape. And now when I stick the masking tape, it looks very white. So on that I am going to stick the electric tape. Now I have taken pieces of electric tape and I will stick where I have stuck the masking tape. You should stick that color tape. Which color pipe you are using, that color tape you should stick. You can use decorative tapes too. After sticking, let's seal the openings. You can use, if you don't have toothpaste box, you can use any cardboard box. I am using masking tape, in which if there is problem I can open it easily. Now let's check it. I am using like this kind of battery. Now let's attach. As soon as you put, the fan starts to run. There's so much cool air coming. You can carry this to some beaches or trips. This fan is portable and you can remove the openings too. You can carry this fan whenever you want to any trips and enjoy. Like this, batteries will work only for 1 hour. As soon as you put it, it will start to run. See? If you use the big fan, the air will come fast. Like in this circular shape of motor, you will get wire attached, but in rectangular motor, you should only attach the wires. If you don't have battery connector, you can use a switch too. And this is very lightweight. If this breaks also, you can stick it very easily. You can even use hot glue gun. See how nice it looks. If you don't want to use it like this, you can use by picking it up. And you can stick this on your table too. See how nice it looks. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.